Hello guys, and in this video, I will be telling you all, I would say, I will be giving you all a roadmap if you are a very new developer or very new to coding. Let's start. If you are new to coding, let me open the laser pointer. Yeah, if you are new to coding, then and you're confused with what to start with because you are confused with what programming language to start or which technologies to start. It can be because there are too many options, many programming languages and other stuff, or maybe any other reason. So I am presenting you all a good roadmap. So let's start. So first of all, here is coding. Okay. Now I'm dividing coding into three parts: software development, artificial intelligence, and ethical hacking. First of all, let's see what is software development. So software development includes two things: web development and app development. Okay. So web development simply means that you are developing some websites or working on some web technologies, and app development means the development of apps. So it can be for iOS, it can be for Android, or it can be some other stuff. We will talk about it further. So this was about software development. And then there is artificial intelligence, which has data science, where we will work with some kind of data, and machine learning. Okay, it is understood by its name. Machine can learn. Computer vision, so you can work on that also in artificial intelligence. And deep learning, which is quite new and is getting more and more popular every day. So let us see in detail each of them. So first of all, let's come to software development. So in software development, there is web development. So I would say that web development is easy, and you need to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to get started with it. And it is quite easy, so you can get started with it in very few times. So it is a great choice if you want to learn something new and easy and in very less time. Then there is app development, which I have told as easy or medium. Okay. Now here I have something to say that app development can also be divided into several parts. So when you talk about app development, then either app can be developed native, which means that the app which you are developing is developed in the original language of the native language of developing app for that operating system. Such as you are developing a native app for Android, you need to make an app in Java or Kotlin, and that will work only for Android, not in iOS. Okay. And if you are making in iOS, then that will use Swift or Objective-C, and it will work only in iOS. Okay. So this is native. Then we have some kind of cross-platform apps as well, which means that you develop for all the major platforms, for apps for major platforms, and these are basically like web technologies which can be easily converted into apps. So we can say these are web apps kind of thing, and these will work on all the devices. So these are the two major domains of app development. Then we move on to artificial intelligence. So we have data science, which is quite medium to hard level, and you need to learn Python first of all, then data structures and algorithms to get started with data science. Computer vision is easy to medium, and you need to learn Python or C++ to get started with it. And in Python, I can tell you, in Python and C++ both, there is OpenCV, which is a some kind of library which can be used for computer vision. Then we move on to machine learning. So machine learning is medium to hard, and you need to have the Python knowledge and this data science knowledge, which will include again data structures and algorithms in Python. And deep learning, which is quite hard, I would say, and you need to have the knowledge of Python, data science, data structures and algorithms, and machine learning. And I would say that if you are going into the field of artificial intelligence, then mastering Python is a must, always is a must, because all the technologies you can see in artificial intelligence, all of them are using Python. So first of all, you can learn Python, and then also you can choose whatever. Then ethical hacking. Now ethical hacking is medium to hard, and you need to have the basic knowledge of networking, how networking works, and then you need to have the basic ethical hacking knowledge to get started. Okay. Now, what to choose? Now, this is the like the main point of the video. So, what you can choose for your career. So, let's say that you are starting with software development, which is easy, the easiest domain, I would say, and you can get well paid also. So, if you are a beginner, have never coded before, so I would recommend you to start with software development, as it is quite easy and still very powerful. Then artificial intelligence, if you are like your basics of are very strong, you are very good in maths, and you can take up concepts very easily, then I would recommend artificial intelligence. And ethical hacking again is like based upon your interest, if you are interested in ethical hacking, but make sure that ethical hacking is like quite hard, and it is unknown when you will get like when you will start earning or something like that. So ethical hacking is like less recommended, but still if you are interested, you can try it. It is a great domain. Now, this was all. Thanks for watching my video, and please subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.